Bitcoin money by and large is a mid-position digital currency at present estimated at $248.08 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $4,857,865,634, which in a real sense is very huge. Over the fundamentally past certainly couple of years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out serious areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world and basically are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, in a significant way. A few institutional financial backers even for the most part consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against a taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Retail financial backers and merchants essentially are somewhat keen on digital currencies fundamentally, for example, BCH in light of the fact that this for the most part is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources explicitly have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a generally essentially brief timeframe, or so they thought. These profits in a real sense are by and large impossible in really different business sectors, which for the most part is the justification for why most kind of moderate financial backers truly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money. While the groundbreaking ones fundamentally commit a critical piece of their cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in an unobtrusive manner. At this really specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $248.08, where it as of now sits, as opposed to mainstream thinking. As currently referenced, BCH in a real sense is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 22nd spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the in every way that really matters metric that most not entirely settled by duplicating the truly current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a fundamentally enormous manner. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization especially remains at $4,857,865,634. The significance of this boundary will especially be generally made sense of later in an especially significant manner. Our cost expectation calculation basically is planned in kind of such a manner that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to for the most part furnish our endorsers with the most reliable data on the in every practical sense. Present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently by and large survey the condition of their portfolio and in a real sense, choose whether or not it essentially has to generally be reconfigured, which generally is genuinely critical. Our calculation likewise really focuses on authentic information, which certainly is truly fundamental for the extremely right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its most certainly present and future course, which most certainly is very huge. Beneath you will find commonly key portions of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could basically have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market explicitly is going, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on December 9, BCH especially was esteemed at $253.61 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Really recall that digital forms of money by and large are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 2.91%, which essentially is very critical. 7 days prior, on December 3, Bitcoin money for the most part was exchanged at $228.11 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that explicitly near its genuinely present position, which truly is genuinely huge. On November 10, which especially was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $239.77, the cost level that by and large is at the distance of 3.39% from where it at present especially remains in every practical sense, enormous way. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX generally are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, which basically is genuinely huge. Market capitalization especially is another significant pretty metric that really assists dealers with deciding the prominence of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, certainly further appearance how beneath you will by and large find in every practical sense. Key extracts of this verifiable information, so you also could have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market generally is going in an especially significant manner. It's likewise used to by and large evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money truly holds inside the really whole digital currency market, or so they in every practical sense thought. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization truly is somewhat straightforward. The coursing supply of the money being referred to explicitly is duplicated by its kind of current cost in an unpretentious manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH certainly remains at $4,857,865,634, enough to name it the 22nd outright biggest coin on the digital money market, which is very huge. Yesterday, on December 9, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money in a real sense remained at $4,965,772,587, versus the in a real sense thought. 7 days prior, on December 3, the capitalization of BCH generally was $4,465,309,553. A month prior, on November 10, how much capital streaming around this kind of specific market especially added up to $4,688,505,623, which generally is genuinely critical. Most cryptographic money financial backers by and large stick to the rule that market capitalization, likewise, decides the dangers related with a genuinely certain digital currency and its capacity to generally endure disturbances, which sort of are the normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The greatest stockpile of Bitcoin money sort of is 21,000,000 BCH. The for the most part all-out supply of BCH right now sort of stands at 19,581,813 coins in a significant manner. The flowing inventory of the cryptographic money under audit in every way that really matters is 19,581,813 BCH. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't really be certainly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the especially metric utilized by practically all digital currency brokers to, all things considered, affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move, which especially is genuinely huge. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain generally is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there basically is a high likelihood that this move explicitly is impractical and would sort of bring about a bullish snare, or so they truly thought. Subsequently, it's critical to, in every practical sense, break down the especially past and the truly current exchanging volume of BCH request to comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength, kind of additional appearance, how reasonably retail financial backers and merchants in a real sense are in every way that really matters, keen on digital currencies, for example. BCH in light of the fact that this in a real sense is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources truly have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a generally certainly brief timeframe, which basically is very huge. Over the truly beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Bitcoin money market generally was enlisted at $204,317,004 in an essentially huge manner. Yesterday, on December 9, BCH had an exchanging volume of $194,800